Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Facetune application on your smartphone. So let's go ahead and get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then you might want to open up the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And now just tap on the search box and type in Facetune and go ahead and search for it. Now once you find the Facetune application, just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the application. Wait for the installation to complete, and when you see the open button, just tap on it and this will open up the Facetune application. You can accept and continue and answer the questions or skip them if you wish to by tapping on the skip button at the top right. Now you can continue using the application by signing up with your Google, your Facebook or your email account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Facetune application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.